Hi, what's up guys? In this video I'll be showing you how to fix 100% CPU usage Windows 10. So, without further ado, let's get started. First you just need to right-click on the Start icon. Then click on Device Manager. Here click on System Devices and look for High Precision Event Timer. Then just right-click and select Disable Device. If you have disabled it, then close the Device Manager. The next step, go to Power Options. In Windows Search, type Power Options. So here choose Edit Power Plan. Just click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Here I don't have any options, but if there is Adjust to High Performance available here, you can select it. Then click Apply and OK. The third step, you can turn off several applications in autorun. So just right-click on the Start icon, then click Task Manager, then go to Startup, and sort them to Enable. Here you can disable all unwanted apps. That's all guys, I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video, thank you.